going on, everybody? Today we are back and we're out looking for trails. We were told about some trails on the backside of Lisbon Lake, so that's where we're heading out now. Of course, we got Boy, we got Cory, and myself in my gray pickup. And yeah, let's go see what we can get into. Well, the plan was to hit the backside of Lisbon, but somehow we managed to find ourselves on the main trail. At this point of the trail, you can see my truck is just skinny enough to squeeze by, with the trees on the left and the bank on the right. Alright, well, we're trying to find the backside of Lisbon, but we found our way to the main trail to Lisbon, and we're at the front, which ended up being a pretty fun trail anyways. I've never actually been up here during the summer months, only during the winter, so that's kind of neat. Anyways, guys, that's about it for this Wednesday's episode of Dirt Garage. Short and sweet, just kind of a bonus video like our normal Wednesday videos are. Anyways, guys, if you like this stuff, please remember to give me a thumbs up, subscribe for 2 uploads a week, Wednesday and Fridays, and yeah, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.